Briggs Landing's a little bit of just a short walk through the rainforest there. We spend 40 minutes in there, so you can, it's only 400 metres, but spending so long, you can actually get time and take it all in, because there's so much to see in that short time.
This area is not just significant to Tasmania, Australia, but worldwide. But why is that so? Well, basically, you're in some very ancient, old, cool, temperate rainforest.
You see a variety of trees, but mostly the hill pine in there, and people are just blown away by the growth rates of it. You know, that tree's hill can grow at 0.4 a year. They look at a tree that could be 600 mil across, you know, it's only just over half a metre, and they'll think it's a 20-year-old tree, but that tree is, you know, 500 years old, 600 years old, and they just can't. They're blown away by the how slow it grows.